mabali tindali luko le manadana tu batu ya kwa sarwa no ndali batu le manadani
Aturan Prime Minister na singa ntokai nga tali taiki
wale mnakena me ambacho kana kama me rakalo bisa chikine polisi kesi kama tena sasa wale mnabina nini ya tambul bata ya por ramane Bulobinaka everyone, and a very good morning to you all. I'm happy to be here with you all in Naitasiri as we officially commission the new teachers' quarters for Sawanikula Primary School. Thank you for the warm welcome. The most obvious beneficiaries of this new project are the 7 teachers who day in, day out are housed under its roof. They now have a new high quality place to call home, allowing them to focus fully on what really matters, which is teaching. And that renewed energy and dedication among your teachers will be felt by your 110 students. When we talk about those formative years when our young minds are developing most, every class, every syllabus, and every lesson plan matters. When our teachers are well rested and well prepared, that shows in the energy they bring to the instruction, which very well can inspire a lifelong passion for maths, for sciences, or the arts in their students that shape the future degrees and careers. The real impact of this investment goes far beyond those 117 students and teachers, and beyond Sawanikula village, and even beyond the bounds of Naitasiri province. For every student that benefits from a better education in Fiji, from that step forward, every life they touch will be enriched just a bit more. The ripple effect of a quality education expands far and wide and helps fuel the progress of our economy and our nation as a whole. This broader realization is why, throughout my time as Prime Minister, Fijians have seen such priority placed on our education sector by my government through new investment like this one in Sawanikula. I opened 2 other teachers' quarters much like this one just last week. One at Voreqe Primary School and the other at Dotata District School. And next week, I plan on commissioning quarters at 2 more schools. In years past, for many schools, the quality of construction at teachers' quarters was substandard. Only our largest schools in urban areas are offering housing to their teaching staff, which actually widened inequality. To add to the problem, the remote teachers' allowances was a fraction of where it stands today, meaning that there was little incentive for teachers to come to teach in communities like this one. The best suited teachers found teaching opportunities in our more remote areas unattractive or altogether unlivable, an unfortunate reality for the communities and students who needed them most. That is exactly why my government stepped in to bridge this divide. But my commitment to uplifting the quality of education goes further, far further than the many new teachers' quarters that are being built with funding, either from the Ministry of Education or like in Sawanikula, my office small grant scheme. All throughout Fiji, we have reconstructed our schools, many of which were badly damaged or destroyed completely by recent cyclones, to higher standards of construction. And recognizing the value of working together with all schools, we've made this future-facing investment in infrastructure at institutions both government-owned and privately run, putting vast government resources behind schools that would otherwise be left to fend for themselves. Even with all this incredible progress, the job is far from done. Our education revolution is ongoing and will continue to be ongoing as long as I'm Prime Minister, because improving the lives of our students is never complete and the education landscape never stops evolving. We will continue to find ways to improve curriculum to better suit individual student needs. We will continue to fill our classrooms with modern tools and technologies to ensure they keep pace with demands of a modernizing global economy. And as you see here today, we will continue to make sure our teachers are well supported to serve their students in schools across the nation. The teaching profession today is paying more than ever. It is opening more doors of opportunity, and it is backed by resources and structural reform to improve service delivery. I challenge all Fijian teachers to live up to the support that government is providing them. We've raised the bar and we need you to meet it for the sake of Fijian students and Fiji's future. On that note, I look forward to watching the young faces I see today grow into leaders of tomorrow. And abidana gagani Josaia, o may dalabuti na nabalini kasnibuli, Sawanikula Primary School. Naboro.